Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to assign Kahoot. Let's say you want to assign Kahoot to maybe students or friends or other people. What do? It's quite simple. First of all, you have to choose a Kahoot. It can be your own Kahoot that you created or it can be any other one. For example, I'm going to pick the one I didn't create. So you look for it. Now I'm going for the free one. So this is free. I click on it. All you have to just click on hosts and there you can see the option for assign. So once you click on assign, you put the dates where it will end, time when to end, and this thing, and then you click on create, and now you're assigning it. So you have the code, and then make sure that you assign this Kahoot to players by using that code, sending to them. So you can send it to Google Classroom, Remind, Messages, WhatsApp, Gmail, or you can click on more and send it to people through WhatsApp or Facebook or Gmail. So many other ways you can send it to them. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.